Alright, what's up you guys? Another day vlogging. Here at my office, just got off my other job. I got a lot of packages to unload because we got a lot of stock that just came in. So I'm about to do that right now. So as they say, you gotta spend money to make money. So I'm constantly ordering packages, always. And most of the time I actually forget what's inside, but I feel like it'd be pretty interesting for you guys to know. So I'm gonna open up these packages and let you see what I usually get on a daily basis. So this one right here is a shirt restock. Looks like a bunch of black shirts, bunch of white shirts. Of course they're all gonna go over there. As I said in the last video, we gotta restock, you know, you gotta restock. Because when you sell it, you gotta get more. So, anyway, so next package over here, good size box. And here we got hats. These sold like crazy at the last event. So it was the first thing I ordered whenever we got back. So it's these dad hats, adjustable on the back. Can you imagine? I get them for $2 a piece, right? Crazy. All right. So next up, we got a smaller one. These are our flags for the next Pride event. It looks like on top are the Trans Pride flags. So yeah, I'll show you those later. Let's see. This next one here, different type of package. You're getting a lot of angles. We got some bungee cords for that sign right there. If you're a vendor, you're always gonna need bungee cords. And we got this big bag right here. So in this bag, looks like we got more shirts, white shirts. Come over here with other shirts. We got another package. Alright, we got more flags, tape, always important, and a lot more flags. And we got some more heat transfer paper, because you always got to restock in that stuff when you get to running low. And then looks like more flags. So, because these sold so well as the last one. We only had 2 bags and people were like, oh, are y'all the ones selling the flags? And we're like, yeah. And they're like, oh yeah, I need some. We're like, oh crap, like we're out. So, anyway though, I wanted to make this little series that I have here for anybody who wants to start a business, because I hear people all the time, they're like, oh, I want to start a business so bad, you know, this is what I want to do and it's gonna be so great, I'm so excited. And I'm like, hell yeah, like I'm there for you. And they're like, oh yeah, but I'm scared, or you know, I don't think I have enough money for it, or you know, like I've been thinking about doing it, but I just need to keep on planning to make sure it's perfect before I actually do it. And you know, to me that's frustrating, because I see so many people with potential and such big dreams, but they don't go for what they actually want. And so I just want to say, like, it doesn't matter what situation you're in, you know, save up some money, figure out your plan, you know, research what you want to do and do it, because it's not that hard. You see, I wanted to sell clothes. I was selling clothes on Printify, and my only way to do it, because I didn't have any money, was to design a shirt, put it on Etsy, have people buy it, and then send that order to a third party and have them make it. So I would pull money out of my pocket to pay for the shirt, have it sent to the person, and then collect the money afterwards, which was really vexing for me, but I still made like $2 per shirt. You know, I had to pay $10, but at the end of the day, it was a $12 shirt, and I got $2 back. So I kept doing that. Luckily, I got lucky enough to have an investor, and you know, not everybody is that lucky, but the thing is that you don't have to have somebody give you a bunch of money. Save your money, because if it's that important to you and it's that big of a deal to you, it's not that big of a deal to put $50 aside at the end of the week. Even if you make $7 an hour, that's affordable. And if you can't do that, then do $25 a week, because at the end of the month you'll have $100. And I say, if you wanted to do this right here, you could start this with $400. So in 4 months of saving $25 a week, you could start this, literally. Yeah, you'd have some difficult troubles, but if you really wanted it that bad, you could do it. So the point of this video right now is for me to say, if you have a dream and you want to do it, what are you waiting for? Because I'm 21 right now and I'm doing this. And if you think you're too young, you're too old, you haven't started, no matter what, you're just wasting time. So get on it. Do what you want to do and make it happen, because believe me, if you put in the work, everything will find itself out. Like, I've had times where I had to, like, I couldn't pay the rent, or I was scared that I was, like, you know, gonna be kicked out of my house because I didn't have money, because I was so focused on my business and saving and things like that. But the money always comes, and if you're talented and you work hard, you can make it freaking happen, and I believe in you. So I hope that this video helps anybody who is wanting to start a business. And I do plan to make more videos about, you know, my progress, the things that I do. And like I said, I don't have a full-time job anymore. I work part-time, you know, enough to pay the bills, and then I work the rest of the night. I stay here until 8 o'clock at night every single day, sometimes later. So I have a 12-hour day, and I have enough money to pay my rent, and everything that I make in this company goes back into the company. So it's possible. So if you work hard and you stick to it, and you really have a big dream that you want to do, you can do it. And I believe in you. And keep watching this, because I'm going to keep telling you, you know, ways that I've made my business happen and the ways that you can help yours. And I just want to give you advice, and I want to see you achieve your dreams like I am right now. So thanks for watching, you guys. This is Alex Can Do That, and this is episode 2 of Running Rose Gold Co. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Say it yourself, guys.